Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2009 Economics Objective Past Question 13. Two commodities X and Y are in joint supply when A. X is a product of Y, B. X and Y are produced by the same firm, C. Increase in quantity of X leads to decrease in Y, D. X and Y cannot be produced in the same process. So first things first, I would define what a joint supply is. Now, a joint supply in a joint, or what a joint supply is, it refers to when products, or refers to supply found when products or processes when you have some two or more products or processes that can yield two or more outputs that can yield two or more outputs. Now, if a product can yield two or more outputs, it means that those products are related. Now, for X and Y given to us, they are related, and due to this reason, they will be in joint supply when one of them, say X, influences Y, or when one is produced, the other is produced as well. That can also be seen when one of them is a product of the other. So the correct answer then will be A, which is X is a product of Y. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more past questions and answers, and also for more YouTube videos. Thank you.